Want to record your computer screen without having to download any new software? Let me introduce you to a free and simple online screen recorder that's perfect for everyone, even beginners. Let's check it out now. Now, I'm at a site called FlexClip. This is the free screen recorder I was telling you about. It has a lot of different features, and I'll show you some of them now. First of all, it's free to use. Next, it's web-based, so you don't have to download any software, which is a big plus. It's very secure and has a lot of different options. As far as recording goes, you can choose any of these. You can record anything you actually see on your screen when you're using it, and you can edit your recording later very easily. So, here's the process. First, you choose your layout, then you record your screen, and finally, you download it. Easy, right? If you have questions, here's the FAQs, so please read through these. Best of all, you can record up to an hour, which is pretty amazing. If you have any problems, you can always contact them. Now, I'll show you how to use this. It's pretty simple. First of all, click on Start Recording, then choose Screen, Webcam, Screen Only, or Webcam. I'll use Screen Only. Click here. Now choose one of these. Or don't use audio if you don't want to. I'll click on Start Recording and choose this page. I'll go to this slide and show you as I'm going through the process. So I'll record this page. When I'm done, I'll click sharing right up here, and it will stop recording. Here's the recording I just made. Let's watch a little. You can see this is what I just recorded. If I wanted to, I could re-record it, but if I'm happy with it, I'll click on Download or Edit. Then it'll pull up this editing page. You can come in here and make all kinds of changes. Remember, this is all free. But for now, I just wanted to show you how it works. But if you just want to record your own screen for any reason, this is how you do it. If you want to edit your recording, you do that in here. You can work on the audio settings, turn the volume down, reduce the noise, and more. So when you're done editing, just click Export and choose Video Type up to 4K. Then export it. It will render it here. When it's done, download it to your computer. So that's the process if you need to record your screen. This is a wonderful tool to use. And think about it. If FlexClip's free tools are this good, just imagine how good their paid tools are. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.